This question, show that x minus 5, x minus 2 plus x plus 5 or x plus 2 simplifies into ax squared minus b over x squared minus 4 where a and b are integers. Okay. First step is that you have to make the denominator the same by multiplying the denominators by the other fraction. So x minus 5 over x minus 2, you multiply this fraction by this denominator, that's going to be times x plus 2 times x plus 2 plus x plus 5, x plus 2, and now you multiply this fraction with this denominator, that's going to be times x minus 1 times x minus 1. Now when you do this, let me make the equal to sign. Now when you do this, the denominator is going to be, for this one it's going to be x minus 2, x plus 2. We're not going to open it up, we're going to keep it as it is. Okay, x plus 2 plus, same thing here, x plus 2, x minus 1, oh, sorry, x2 and x1. This was x2. We're going to get x2 here. When you got that, next step is, now you multiply the above parts. X times x is x squared, x times plus 2 is plus 2x, minus 5 times x is minus 5x, minus 5 times plus 2 is minus 10. Done? Then x times x is x squared, x times minus 2 is minus 2x, x times, sorry, plus 5 times x is plus 5x, 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Now you write it over here. When you multiply this, let me open this up. One second. Let me open this up. X times x is x squared minus x plus 2 is plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. X squared, this is going to give you minus 3x minus 10 plus x squared minus 2x, sorry, minus, plus 3x minus 2x plus 5x plus 3x minus 10. Now minus 10, and this was minus 10 over here, minus 10 plus 10, sorry, let me erase that. Yeah, so x squared over here plus 2x. Okay, now x squared plus x squared gives you 2x squared. Okay, this is cancelled, not cancelled, but I'm putting it here. Minus 3x plus 3x cancels, that goes away. Minus 10 gives you minus 20, divided by plus 2x minus 2x goes away, x squared minus 4. Okay, so simple. Ax squared, 2x squared, minus b, minus 20, x squared, minus 4, minus 4. That is the answer. So a is 2 and, let me write it here, a is 2 and b is 20. Those are your answers.